Do you want to change the email address connected to your X account? Whether you're switching to a new email or adding one for better account security, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will open the side menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. From the expanded section, select Settings and Privacy. A new settings page will open with multiple account options. From here, tap on your account. Next, select Account Information. For security reasons, X may ask you to enter your password before continuing. Once you're inside Account Information, look for the email option and tap on it. Now type in the new email address you want to use for your X account. Double-check the spelling carefully, because X will send a verification code to that email address. After entering the new email, tap Next or Continue. Now open your email inbox and look for the verification message from X. Copy the verification code, then return to the X app and enter it into the confirmation box. Once verified, your email address will be successfully updated on your account. This is important because your email is used for login alerts, password recovery, security notifications, and account protection.